On tilt trading. I'm currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have going on from top down. So here on the daily, I've got Bitcoin selling here. Overall, this is my dealing range where you see this Fibonacci retracement tool here. Let's zoom in. So this, as I mentioned, is my dealing range where this Fibonacci retracement tool is, and then sell side delivery here. We get some consolidation, and then we get some buy side delivery here, here, and here. You see fair value gaps. So here you can see price action went to the buy side but failed to break above. There's a swing right here with these two candle bodies right here. Even though this candle wick right here went above, there would need to be a candle closure above, but it failed here. And since I'm looking at sell side delivery, you can see this, or at least to me, this would look as pullback, and then look for a continuation here to the sell side for the overall sell side delivery here. And price could come and here on the daily potentially sweep out, the range here on the daily. If we come here to the 60-minute chart, 60-minute chart is where I took this trade off of. If I back up here, when price action pulled up on news, pulled back, price action pulled back into this area here. There's no fair value gap here, but I was able to locate the fair value gap over here on the 15-minute. Go back in time a bit here, and we come here. So this is that area here on the 15-minute, and that fair value gap is right here. This is the fair value gap, and my stop loss is going to be just above this candle here, where you won't see it right now. And now approaching target here on the day. So this could potentially put in a fair value gap right here on the 60-minute here. So this could be a fair value gap with this area here only being sell side delivery for this hour. So what I'm anticipating is the potential for price to pull back at some point here on this 60-minute into this fair value gap and potentially continue for a leg lower. If it does that, then I will see if that lines up with a potential rate on liquidity here. Currently, there is sell side liquidity that's been traded into right here. My profit target is a rebalance of this fair value gap right here. So ideally, I want to trade fair value gap to fair value gap for fair value gap rebalance. There is also sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's low. This would be my ideal target, but there's no guarantee any targets will be met. And if price is likely to turn around, it's likely to turn around at the rebalance of this fair value gap right here. So just as let's say defensive trading, just wanting to take the not necessarily the lowest hanging fruit, If that was the case, then I would have taken profits right here at this sell side, but going for a rebalance. As I entered in a fair value gap, I like to exit at a fair value gap. And if this sell side liquidity is swept, or this fair value gap is rebalanced, I would anticipate buy side delivery, pull back, and then see what this potential fair value gap would have to offer as far as in a trade scenario. And that'll just depend on whether or not there's news or something that would allow price action to give me some sort of a reaction for an entry. But had a short bias for today. My entry is horrible, but it's on side, so my entry is here. A much better entry would have been somewhere in this area of consolidation, which would have been in conjunction with the swing or the order block that was associated with the fair value gap here on the 60-minute further back to the left, getting a better placement on the entry. But I was late to the entry. I got faked out a bit by this price action right here. So we'll see if price can reach target. Pretty close right now. And you can see quite a bit of displacement here to the sell side. See the same thing here on the 15, and then on the 60 on the daily chart, you can see putting in quite a large wick candle here. Let's see, and history, you can see the mess that I made this morning here. So these were some trades overnight. I don't want to do this again, just holding overnight. So these trades were taken after the New York session, like into the Asian range, which this system is not designed for. So this was just asking to lose money. And this was the fake out here on the smaller range. So getting beat up today, but potentially recovering with this position, and we'll see if the afternoon provides any opportunities, but that seems less than likely since the news is pretty light right now. But this is what I have for today. You can see Bitcoin and likely the rest of the market is being delivered to the sell side. We'll see if price returns to the buy side this afternoon, or continues sell side delivery here, or even potentially consolidates. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.